Hello, good afternoon. Mahindra Centuro original CD installed. Now it will be start. I am explain the CD diagram. Two pin upper is high tension coil. It is blank. Upper 4 pin, upper last it is earthing, body earthing. It is connected also TPS sensor negative. Then first pickup coil. It is TPS sensor. Okay, it is TPS sensor positive. TPS sensor positive. 12 volt. In 4 last corner, it is 12 volt. Now it will be start Mahindra Centuro. Okay. Good sound, better pickup. I hope it will be give me mileage 60 plus. Thank you.